Oh, he's got it booked in for injectors. Let's have a see. Look what it's got. Got an alarm. It went bip bip. Let's have a look, see what it's got. Okay, it's got a scan tool plugged in. It's got 157,000 Ks and a scan tool plugged in. I'm going to get it all warmed up. It's booked in for injectors. He reckons it's really noisy, so we're going to do our best to have a listen to it. All right, so we've got the key on. This is what it looks like under here. It looks pretty good to me. It's a January 15. Awesome, last of the best. January 15. Hey, if you want to sell it, let me know. A nice original looking 1KD like this, that's the sort of thing I'm after. Plenty of nice red coolant. Just want to say, listen. Normal noise from the turbo with the key turned on. Let's get that scan tool fired up, have a quick look at the readings, and have a listen to this engine, see if it's noisy. I'm about to start it up, but one other thing I want to mention for all the Hilux owners, I've noticed it in our Hilux, with the key on and even with the fan, everything off, have a listen, right? Off. It's like an air noise. I don't actually know what it is, but something's fired up in the dash here. Must be a little fan on the radios, or I don't know what it is. But anyway, just thought I'd mention that's obviously normal as well. 157K. Let's get it started. Battery certainly sounds average. I don't know what you can hear, but you know what? I'm going to put you down on the seat just to listen. I'm just going to have a quick look on the diagnostic screen. Right, injector feedback, hang on. Let's get back here for a sec. Because something might happen here, but it might not. So it's already going back down. So we've got to watch those feedback values when they're cold. Okay, now what I want to do is drive the vehicle. What's the best way for you to hear what's going on here? Right, I'm going to put you up here. Is that crazy or what? Let's drive. I want to drive it cold. Because we know Hiluxes are noisy. Who's this? Who's this here? Hang on. Someone's trying to... Oh, hang on. I've got someone here. Yeah. That's not good, is it? Hang on a minute. Let's try that again. I'll put you in my pocket. How's that? This is my pocket spy camera, so I don't know what you're looking at. You're probably looking at the sky and anything else, but I'll stop talking because we need to listen. Thank you. Just had one of the awesome Prado friends drop something off for us. So that's good. Let's drive, let's listen. Oh, that's noisier than mine, cold, yeah, for sure. Yeah, I would say they are a bit noisy. That engine's a bit noisy from those 157K 7-year-old injectors. Yeah, and it's like rattling on and off. I don't know what you can hear. This video's... Now, these Hiluxes, they are noisy, but what I mean is the normal noises, and once it gets hot, this one's particularly noisy when it's cold. Listen. Gonna have a quick stop here and have a look on the diagnostic tool, because it's going to have warmed up a few degrees, not a lot. Now that we've stopped, we can do this. I don't know if we've got the camera around the right way, the wrong way. Here we go. We have to do the video. Sorry everyone, I know we hate videos like this. I don't know how it's going to be interesting. I'm not going to waste time editing. Let's see how it turns out, right? Hey, guess what? Whether it's this way or that way, as long as you can see the numbers. Right, I don't know if you can hear the noise in the video. Okay, I've driven about another 2 minutes. It seems to be quieting down a lot once it's warm to the normal Hilux rattle, okay? So Hiluxes are noisy, they're a commercial vehicle. They haven't got the insulation the same as the Prados. The Prados are much quieter, regardless of what injectors, what vintage. Hiluxes are noisier. Doesn't mean they're always noisy though, sometimes they're quiet. Now, let's have a look at the readings. Firstly, coolant's only 69, so we're not at full temp. That's why I said I like to stop and have a look at these feedback values 1, 2, 3, and 4. They're a very small part of the picture, but they're what I want to look at on these later vehicles to see what they're doing, okay? Because a lot of the other stuff like the load can vary a lot, and it's commonly around 15, but it can be 12.9 to about 17 point whatever as well, right? They're common readings, somewhere in the 12s, 12.9 and above, usually 14.9, 15.2, right? So the 15.2, 14.9, see what I mean? Anyway, up to about 18 with these later ones, September 09 to the end, right? Different injectors, that's the readings for those. Let's just have a quick look. Feedback values and other readings that are important. Injection volume's good, 7, 7.5. I don't have a big problem with these injectors. I'm going to have a listen to it, drive it a bit more, have a chat at the end, and I'm going to talk him out of. So it's booked in for injector replacement, and we're going to say, look, let's not do this. So that's probably where it's at. Look, this was just going to be a really quick, funny video, but it's worth some discussion. We'll just take a few more minutes. You can see it's pretty well up to full operating temp. We just returned back to base, and 82 degrees. All the readings are good. One's 57k. Certainly when it's warm, I'd say it's quieter than my Hilux with the new injectors in it. So you got to understand, Hiluxes are noisier, but they all vary a bit. I'd say this is one of the quiet ones. It was certainly noisy when it's cold. I'm going to go review the video and see if you can actually hear it. Might do some editing and cut some of it out if it's a waste of time trying to keep the thing short. But I hope you listened to the end. If you did, hit the like button, subscribe and turn the bell on, get yourself educated. This one, full DLC injectors, 15. I don't think they've been out before. So what we might like to do is pull the intercooler off, do an e-jar clean and stuff like that, and then make a decision. And if the pipes haven't been off, then I feel comfortable leaving them a bit longer, save him some money. But because it is a little bit early on the kilometers, it's only 7 years, it's a 2015. Okay, it's going to be 8 years soon, 9 years soon, but you know, I'm sure he would like to do it later and save the money. And the thing is, if we can prolong it, that's what we want to do with the full DLC injectors that haven't done the Ks. Let's stretch it a bit further. Let's have a listen to it. Let's do this. You know, what's better? Would you rather spend a couple $100 on me spending some time doing a diagnostic, a couple of cold start drives, and then not do your injectors? If you want to do that, no problem, contact me. We'll need you to leave the vehicle with us for a few days as well. And I can't guarantee that I'm going to get the work done that week or even within weeks. So it'll be a separate booking for the cold start diagnosis. If that's, you know, say you've got a 13 or a 14 or a 15, these sorts of vehicles, okay? And they've only done 100 Ks or 120, 130, up to anything up to 170. We can look into it and just try and get you some more time. But anything from 180 and above, right, with these full DLC ones, 180, 190, I'd like to push it. If you can get to 200 within about 5, 6 years, maybe even 7, then I think we're okay. But 200's pushing it if you've taken longer than 7 years to do 200. Do you know what I mean? Because it's a balance of time and kilometers. Anyway, watch that injector information playlist. Watch the we got a diagnostic playlist. There's one about scan tools. There's one about looking at these readings so you can understand what's what. I'd rather go by averages, and I'd rather go by what my ear says. I'm going to get out, give it a bit of a rev, see if it blows smoke, and have a think about it for a bit. But that's a video. We're done here. There might be another video if we end up replacing them. It's ultimately up to the client. 157k, 2015 Hilux. Love it, 5-speed auto. How good's this? If you want to sell a vehicle like this, let me know, because I reckon they're just great. And you know what? Happy days. All right, see ya. Gotta go. Bye. See ya.